Welcome back. In news overseas, although the month-old ceasefire between the United States and Iran is still technically in effect, President Donald Trump characterized the pause as wearing thin on Monday. Since it began, both Iran and the U.S. have exchanged fire in the Strait of Hormuz, and that vital waterway is one more sticking point when it comes to making a peace deal a reality. More from the CNN.
The U.S. ceasefire with Iran in a fragile state, according to the commander-in-chief.
I would call it the weakest right now. After reading that piece of garbage they sent us, I didn't even finish reading it. I would say the ceasefire is on massive life support.
Speaking from the Oval Office Monday, Trump slammed Iran's latest peace offer. Iranian state media reports Tehran wants recognized sovereignty over the Strait of Hormuz, which has effectively been closed for 10 weeks, disrupting a significant share of global oil exports.
Everything we put forward in our proposed text consisted of reasonable and responsible demands and generous proposals, not only for Iran's national interests, but for the good, stability and security of the entire region and the world.
After Trump rejected Iran's latest proposal to end the conflict, oil prices began rising again. Also, research from Brown University says Americans are facing gas and diesel spikes, costing households nearly $300 each as of Monday afternoon.
This is a tough time, and the economic consequences of this war are quite severe.
AAA reports regular unleaded gas is averaging $4.52 a gallon Monday, a surge from $2.98 when the war began. I'm Sherelle Hubbard reporting.
Did I hear you say, whoa?
Yes, you saw those prices? My goodness.
That's you.
It's me? Okay, so the Primetime News package continues with sports after this break.